Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will have to find the logarithm of numbers. It's the third lecture of exercise 3.3 of chapter 3. That how we can find the logarithm of some numbers, of such numbers. The first question is logarithm of a number or common logarithm. Common logarithm is basically that logarithm having the base 10. Log of common logarithm, or you can say Briggs logarithm, is basically that kind of logarithm having the base a, having the base 10. So now all these are basically common logarithm. We can write it as, we can write such kind of logarithm as log of 3 equals to x. Then it doesn't make any difference that it's a common of, it's a base of 10 log. It's also a base of 10. यहाँ पर हम 10 नहीं लिखते, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि ये हमारे पास common log ही है. So here we are going to find the common log of some numbers. So the common log of a number consists of two things. The first thing is characteristic and the second one is mantissa. So here we will learn about that, how we can find mantissa and how we can find the characteristic of a logarithmic value. Here we have a number and we are going to find the log of such a value, log of 2476. It can also be written in the form of, such a number can also be written in the form of log of 2476 to the base 10 equals to x. Basically we are going to find the value of x, that is 10 power x equals to 2476. But these values we can easily or conveniently find with the help of logarithmic values, with the help of logarithm. So here we have to find the value of the logarithmic value of 2476. So first of all we need to find its characteristic. So characteristic, how we can find characteristic? Characteristic, if we have a number which is, and such a number which is greater than 1, such a number is greater than, here we will discuss about the characteristic, that how to find characteristic of two numbers, of such numbers. The first case when those numbers are greater than 1. हम यहाँ पर दो चीज़ें डिस्कस करेंगे, एक वो नंबर्स जो 1 से ग्रेटर हैं और दूसरे वो नंबर्स जो 1 से लेस हैं. उन दोनों का हम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फाइंड आउट करेंगे. बट हियर इन सच a situation the number is greater than that of 1, then how we can find the characteristic of such a number whose value is greater, which is greater than that of 1? Then for such a number, first of all we need to know that the point is at the end of such a value. Now we need to count the number of digits to the left of the point, we need to count the number of digits to the left of the point. So to the left of the point, how many digits are? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digits are here. So the characteristic of such a number will be 4 minus 1, that will be equals to 3. The characteristic, if we are going to find the log of such a number then which is greater than 1, then its characteristic will be the number of digits to the left of point minus 1. Then its characteristic will be equals to the number of digits to the left of the point. So the number of digits in such a case to the left of point, that is point के left side पे जितने digits हैं, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1 equals to 3. That will be the characteristic of that number which is greater than 1. In second case, the number of digits to the left of point, that is 2. So 2 minus 1, that is equals to 1. So its characteristic equals to 1. And third case, so it is basically, it was also the case of x greater than 1. but in the third case x is less than 1. ये नंबर जो है हमारे पास it is basically less than 1. Then how we can find the characteristic of such a number which is less than 1? Then in such a situation